Do you believe we already understand everything about our home? Forget everything you think you know. In 2026, the latest data from observation stations reached into a dark frontier, a place where the most terrifying secrets of the solar system have long remained hidden. Welcome to a journey that will completely redefine how you see the universe. 2026, the newly decoded secrets beyond the solar system today. We begin together an epic journey across the solar system, a voyage through time and space to understand where we come from and where we stand in this vast cosmos. Part 1. The Sun, the fire of creation before planets existed, before rock, water, or atmosphere. There was only a massive cloud of gas drifting through space. Under the pull of gravity, that cloud collapsed into itself. Temperatures rose to millions of degrees, and the Sun was born. Every second, the Sun converts 4 million tons of matter into energy. The sunlight you see today began its journey more than 8 minutes ago. If the Sun were to disappear, the entire solar system would fall apart and the planets would drift like ghosts through space. But the Sun does not only give life, it also holds destructive power. Solar storms can burn satellites, erase power grids, and remind us of a brutal truth. Humans are merely small tenants orbiting a colossal star. Part 2. Mercury, a world of extremes. The first planet on our journey through the solar system is Mercury. A small world shaped by contradiction and relentless extremes. It is the planet closest to the Sun, where the line between survival and destruction nearly disappears. During the long Mercurian day, when its surface faces directly toward the Sun, temperatures soar beyond 430 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead and warp solid metal. The ground fractures under the heat, rocks glow like embers, and there is no shadow where life could hide. But when night falls, Mercury transforms into an entirely different world. With almost no atmosphere to trap heat, temperatures plunge to minus 180 degrees Celsius. The cold arrives instantly, freezing anything exposed in moments. This brutal contrast makes Mercury the planet with the largest temperature range in the solar system. A year on Mercury lasts only 88 Earth days, yet a single day stretches longer than an entire year. As the planet rotates slowly, locked in a powerful gravitational dance with the Sun. There is no air to breathe, no liquid water on the surface, no known form of life. Mercury stands as a silent warning from the cosmos, a reminder that when a planet drifts too close to the fire of creation, it is not granted life, but tested to the very limits of existence. Part 3. Venus, Earth's hellish twin. From millions of kilometers away, Venus looks hauntingly similar to Earth. Nearly the same size, almost the same mass, once considered our planet's closest twin. But this resemblance is an illusion. Beneath Venus's thick, endless cloud layers lies a world of extreme hostility. Surface temperatures exceed 460 degrees Celsius, hotter than Mercury, even though Venus orbits farther from the Sun. Its dense atmosphere has created a runaway greenhouse effect, trapping heat with relentless efficiency. The pressure at the surface is powerful enough to crush spacecraft within minutes of arrival. And rain on Venus is not water. It is sulfuric acid, fallen from the sky like a chemical punishment. Venus stands as one of the universe's coldest warnings. A planet can closely resemble Earth, yet with a small imbalance in atmosphere and temperature, it can cross a point of no return, sliding into an eternal hell. Part 4. Earth, the oasis of life, and then We return home. Earth, a fragile blue dot suspended in the vast black ocean of space. Among billions of silent worlds, Earth is the place where liquid water exists, where a thin atmosphere is strong enough to shield life from the deadly radiation of the cosmos. Here, life began with tiny, single-celled organisms, then evolved into forests, oceans, and civilizations that learned to look upward and question their own existence. Every war ever fought, every love story ever told, every dream, fear, and hope of humanity has unfolded on this small grain of dust. Seen from space, borders disappear, nations vanish, skin color and language lose their meaning. What remains is a simple truth. We all share one single home. In the vastness of the universe, Earth is not just the place where we live. It is a rare and precious oasis of life. Part 5. Mars. Humanity's red dream Mars was not always a cold and barren world. Billions of years ago, the red planet once had flowing rivers, vast oceans, and may have been a place where life could emerge. But time was not on Mars's side. The planet gradually lost its protective magnetic field, allowing its thin atmosphere to be stripped away by the relentless solar wind. The air vanished, water evaporated into space or froze beneath the surface. Mars became the desolate world we see today. Yet Mars never lost its pull on humanity. Today, Mars stands as a symbol of human ambition. We send robotic explorers, leave tracks in its red dust, and plan the first settlements beyond Earth. Not because Mars is easy to live on, but because humanity carries an unquenchable desire to step beyond its cradle, to push past familiar horizons, and to seek a future among the stars. Part 6. Jupiter. The giant guardian entering the realm of gas giants. We meet Jupiter, the colossus of the solar system. Its mass exceeds that of all other planets combined. Storms rage for centuries. Its immense gravity acts as a cosmic shield, deflecting countless asteroids that might otherwise have destroyed Earth. It is no exaggeration to say, without Jupiter, life on Earth might never have existed. Part 7. Saturn, the beauty of chaos. With its radiant rings, Saturn is an icon of cosmic beauty, but do not be deceived by appearances. Inside lies crushing pressure and winds faster than any hurricane on Earth. Some of Saturn's moons may hide underground oceans, and perhaps the conditions for life. Part 8. Uranus and Neptune, the frozen frontier. At the distant edge of the solar system, Uranus tilts strangely, rolling around the sun like a sleeping giant. Farther still lies Neptune, where the fastest winds ever recorded rage endlessly. Sunlight here is only a faint glimmer. Yet it is this cold frontier that reminds us the solar system does not end with what feels familiar. Part 9. Beyond the Kuiper Belt. At last, we reach the solar system's boundary, a realm of icy worlds, remnants of its earliest formation. Beyond that lies the emptiness between stars, where human signals fade into silence, where we realize the solar system is just a grain of sand in an infinite cosmic desert. Conclusion: humanity in the universe. After witnessing this entire journey, the question is no longer where are we, but rather where are we going? In the vast universe, humans are small, yet it is this very smallness that makes our ambitions so immense. We explore space not only to find new worlds, but to better understand ourselves. And this epic journey has only just begun.